Hari Om. Today's asanas are all about bringing in balance the mucus in your body, which is actually generated to protect you. But due to some seasonal changes, some infections you have got, this creates an imbalance and too much mucus is generated. And especially sometimes for some people in the sinuses, there is excessive produce of mucus, which creates blockages, discomfort, pain in the nasal area, headache, sometimes even teeth, around the teeth, in the gums, there is pain. So I'll show you a few asanas, and the asanas that you can do along with doing Neti. Initially, you can do Neti almost every day, and later on, once a week is also good enough. So one of the very simple asanas is Paschimottansana, which is back stretching pose. That is, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you stretch your spine and reach for your toes and bend your head towards your knees. Inhale, exhale. For those who cannot touch your toes, even whatever, till wherever you can reach, it's okay. Then slowly, as you become flexible, you can surely do greater forward bending. Then follow this up with Shatkarma. So, for this, you inhale, exhale, go down, press your forehead on the ground, relax your arms, and then deep breathing in, breathing out, 5 rounds. Then inhale, exhale. So this is another asana, yet another backward bending asana, which is good for your sinus problem, is Bhujanga. Hands along the shoulders, a little apart, feet, toes stretched out, whole body relaxed. Take a deep inhale and slowly lift your upper body up to your navel. Whole body weight resting on your arms. Throw your head at the back. Exhale, slowly go down. This is 1 round. You can do up to 5 rounds. Each of these asanas, you can start with 3 rounds and build it up to 5 rounds. Then after this, those who have been doing a bit of yoga can do this, the next 2 asanas, that is Sarvangasana and Halasana. But those who have just started off can just prop your legs against the wall, on the bed or on the sofa, something you can lie down and just prop your legs at 90 degrees to the body. Come to this position and just roll on your back. And then in the 3rd round, while you're lifting, just use your hands to prop up your legs. Then relax your feet, relax your legs, whole body relaxed. Remain as long as it is comfortable. Then when you want to come down, bend your knees. Give support of your hands. Get your spine down. Then your legs down. And what you can do is follow it up with Halasana. So inhale, come up to Sarvangasana, and then slowly drop your legs over your head. Then again drop your knees and then come back to base position and just relax. It's very important to do at least 30 seconds of complete relaxation. So, Sarvangasana, Rasana, and Paschimottansana, Shatkarma. These 4 asanas, if you do, you will be just fine and you will find your sinuses are free. One of the significant practices for getting rid of your sinusitis and, cleansing your nasal area is Neti. Neti is part of the Shatkarmas, the 6 body cleansing practices which are part of Hatha Yoga. So, you can see in the video how this practice is done with the help of saline water. For Neti practice, what you do is take a Neti lota, put the nozzle first in your left nostril, and then tilt your head to the side like this, and just tilt the lota, and automatically keep your mouth open, and the water will flow out from the right nostril. So, then when you are in this position, just blow your nose. To get any excess water out of your nostrils. And then similarly, you do with the right nostril, fix the nozzle, tilt your head and open your mouth, breathe in through your mouth and just let the water flow out from the other nostril. So, blow your nose, come to the straight position, and then again blow your nose in this position. Stand like this, and then again blow your nose. To get all excess water out of your nostrils. So this is the simple Neti practice which really helps in clearing up your sinuses.